Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Say sorry now.
Say sorry now.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Take your bag.
Take your bag.
Keep it there.
Keep it there.
Bring your book.
Bring your book.
Color it nicely.
Color it nicely.
Draw a star.
Draw a star.
Come here, baby.
Come here, baby.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Let's pick the cafe.
Let's pick the cafe.
Where shall we meet?
Where shall we meet?
I feel pretty good.
I feel pretty good.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
I'm free all morning.
I'm free all morning.
I had weird dreams.
I had weird dreams.
I forgot your birthday.
I forgot your birthday.
That's perfect for me.
That's perfect for me.
May I ask something?
May I ask something?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
What time is it?
What time is it?
She eats a healthy meal.
She eats a healthy meal.
I talk to her every day.
I talk to her every day.
Can you pass this?
Can you pass this?
I drink water every morning.
I drink water every morning.
She sleeps early.
She sleeps early.
I walk to school.
I walk to school.
He runs very fast.
He runs very fast.
She jumps over the puddle.
She jumps over the puddle.
I sing my favorite song.
I sing my favorite song.
They play soccer after school.
They play soccer after school.
She reads a book at night.
She reads a book at night.
I drive to work every morning.
I drive to work every morning.
He cooks dinner for his family.
He cooks dinner for his family.
She dances beautifully.
She dances beautifully.
She laughs at the funny joke.
She laughs at the funny joke.
The baby cries loudly.
The baby cries loudly.
He watches TV every evening.
He watches TV every evening.
They swim in the pool.
They swim in the pool.
She buys fresh vegetables.
She buys fresh vegetables.
I listen to music while working.
I listen to music while working.
She washes her clothes.
She washes her clothes.
I clean my room every weekend.
I clean my room every weekend.
She catches the ball easily.
She catches the ball easily.
He fixes the broken chair.
He fixes the broken chair.
He opens the door slowly.
He opens the door slowly.
I hold the baby carefully.
I hold the baby carefully.
He throws the trash away.
He throws the trash away.
He sits on the chair.
He sits on the chair.
She stands near the door.
She stands near the door.
He draws a picture of a tree.
He draws a picture of a tree.
She teaches math to the students.
She teaches math to the students.
He rides his bike to the park.
He rides his bike to the park.
They build a sandcastle at the beach.
They build a sandcastle at the beach.
She breaks the glass by accident.
She breaks the glass by accident.
She calls her mom every evening.
She calls her mom every evening.
I wait for the bus every morning.
I wait for the bus every morning.
She claps after the performance.
She claps after the performance.
He smiles when he sees his friend.
He smiles when he sees his friend.
They shout loudly at the game.
They shout loudly at the game.
He answers the teacher's question.
He answers the teacher's question.
She gives a gift to her friend.
She gives a gift to her friend.
I ask for help when I need it.
I ask for help when I need it.
I help mom in the kitchen.
I help mom in the kitchen.
They hug each other tightly.
They hug each other tightly.
He climbs the tall tree.
He climbs the tall tree.
I smell flowers in the garden.
I smell flowers in the garden.
This is a big house.
This is a big house.